Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'll drop the link in the description, but I also figured out how to use cards. So you can probably see the link up here somewhere about like now. And then like up here somewhere. And you can click it and you can go join the Patreon if you want. Not much of a TA today, right? Still think we're headed up to this mid trend here, right? So I'm not really gonna do too much TA. You could drop a little bit on SPX, but ultimately, yeah, this is my ultimate goal right now, just that mid trend. So what we can do is we can just run this trend, set an alert on there, and then that's basically it. Add alert on trend. What the heck? There we go. Take a bit. So I do expect us to push. I know we came down a little bit, like the last 2-3 hours you have been dropping, but I don't expect this to last. I do expect us to keep pushing towards the upside. I really don't think that we drop all that much. And if we do, that's fine. But ultimate goal, again, is up here at like a 552 SPX, right? And that's been my goal for like the last week and a half or whatever. QQQ, sorry, QQQ already broke mid-trend, right? And I still think it has a little bit more to go, right? I think it'll probably hit like mid-channel right here because there's probably another like mid-channel within this channel. So it'll probably hit like midway, like 496 before coming down, retracing, and then maybe pushing back up again or coming all the way back down. And I did want to show you guys a bit of some sauce. Here's a couple of entries, right? Here's I think it's 6 entries, right? You got A, LU, you got Lufax, Johnson & Johnson, you have Occidental Petroleum, which is Oxy, you got V, and then, you got 2 Vs? Oh, maybe it was another one. But yeah, V, this all looks good. And then also Disney, which is one that I'm currently in right now. So yeah, everything looks pretty good everything looks good to the upside. I think SPX still has a little bit more room to go and to push up. Everything has a little bit more to go and push up. Channel, let's go with Heikinishi. Yeah, Disney still looks good, right? It just closed a 24-hour. I'm pretty sure it just closed a 2-day as well. Yeah, 2-day looks good, right? 2-day. It just closed on Tuesday. Friday, it's opening up a nice 2-day. So again, I do think, at least for Disney, target is 103, 105-ish is ultimate target. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Bitcoin, I still think is going to complete poopy, right? Nothing changed from there. And I think that's kind of it. I mean, you are bouncing from mid-channel here, which is fine, but I think this might just be another retest of this support here, or the resistance at 66.3, right? Before you have another little drop there. Because look, second time you reject from there, right? Push up, immediately you touch that resistance, reject. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know how to tell you guys too much. You're already on the top of stochastic, you didn't even break the high. So Bitcoin, I still think is going down. But yeah, SPX500, definitely looking for a much lower, SPX definitely looking for a much higher target. Whoops. SPX500, black hole markets, there we go. Yeah, definitely looking for a much higher target on SPX. Like I said, somewhere around here. Already have my alert set, so we'll kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.